Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best indoor grills 2021 you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Indoor grills are enticing purchases for urban barbecue enthusiasts, many of whom live in apartments. To everyone's delight, these grills preheat in minutes and ease cooking. What these grills lack in terms of firepower, they make up for in terms of simplicity and protection. If your passion for outdoor grilling is hindered by the weather or a lack of open space, it's high time you considered indoor grilling. With these best indoor grills, the party can keep going inside your home, regardless of the weather outside. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 5, PowerXL Smokeless Indoor Grill. There's no need to mince words, the PowerXL Smokeless from TriStar Products is the ultimate indoor grill. On a regular basis, this strong grill will sear steaks, grill salmon, and cook burgers to perfection. But it's the combination of overall efficiency, fair price, and ease of control that sets this grill apart from the rest. These characteristics make the PowerXL Smokeless a worthy addition to this year's best grills. The grill measures 22.1 inches long by 13.2 inches wide by 6.1 inches tall. The cooking surface measures 15.5 inches long by 9 inches wide, offering nearly 140 square inches of grilling space. Grillers commended the way the grill can handle multiple large items. It can cook 4 large steaks, 8 burger patties, 3 racks of ribs, or a whole chicken in one go. For such a small unit, it can serve up a considerable amount for a family of 6 or 7. On number 4, Philips Smokeless Indoor Grill. Living in an apartment necessitates adherence to stringent fire protection regulations. Traditional grills are obviously out because the smoke will set off a smoke detector and possibly a fire alarm, earning you disapproving looks from the building manager and next-door neighbors. The Philips Smokeless HD 6371/94 is the ideal solution for barbecue enthusiasts who live in an apartment or condo. The Philips Smokeless measures 14.5 inches long by 19.75 inches wide by 5.5 inches tall. The cooking surface measures 7.75 inches by 14 inches, which translates to 108.5 square inches. There are multiple review videos where the grill can cook 4 thick steaks on the grate. The 1660-watt grill, which uses infrared heating, heats up quickly after being plugged in. The even temperature distribution across the grate, even at the edge, astounds us. The heat is distributed by internal reflectors, and there is less smoke than with other indoor grills. To completely avoid setting off the smoke detector, open all curtains and windows before cooking on this grill, since there still is an amount, albeit greatly minimized, of smoke from certain food, namely pork and lamb, as suggested by Philips. On number 3, T-fal GC722D53 1800 watts Opti Grill. The Opti Grill Plus XL GC722D53 is a single device that combines culinary excellence with technical innovation. It has more cooking options than its simpler plug-and-cook competitors, giving it a competitive advantage. The Opti Grill Plus XL offers 800 square centimeters of cooking space, roughly translating to 124 square inches. Compared to other indoor grills, the size may not be something to boast about, but this grill can serve portions befitting 2 to 4 adult diners. The clam-like style of this grill is one of our favorites, as it cooks food from both the top and bottom at the same time for faster cooking. The control panel is conveniently located on the handle, allowing you to choose unique cooking modes for various products. The grill body is stainless steel, while the dual die-cast aluminum grates have non-stick coatings. That said, the manufacturer still advises using cooking oil to improve the non-stick release. The 1800-watt heating element outperforms most indoor grills on the market, allowing the grill to heat up in 4 to 7 minutes. But it's the grill's wide range of cooking choices that sets it apart from other plug-and-cook grills. There are 9 different settings for different foods, ranging from burgers and sandwiches to pork, beef, poultry, seafood, and frozen foods. There are many more levels of doneness for steaks, ranging from rare to medium and all the way to well done. On number 2, Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe. The Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe, despite its size and cost, provides a lot of cooking options for your money. The two sides of the grill open up to form two different surfaces for those occasions when you want to increase the number of burgers you can grill at once from 6 to 12. The plates are interchangeable, with one side having a grill pattern and the other having a flat surface. The Griddler Deluxe transforms into a griddle when both sides are open and the flat surface is in place, but there is a distance between the two halves that restricts the amount of pancakes you can cook at once. Overall, however, this is a rather adaptable product. The Griddler browns quickly and evenly. Longer cooking items like paninis and chicken breasts came out crispy with beautiful grill marks. Using the high heat sear function, burgers were grilled perfectly. In addition, this Cuisinart has lots of special features. You can select different temperatures for each plate, which is particularly helpful when it's in the open position. During preheating, the knobs glow red, then change to green when the selected temperature is reached. An innovative lever on the side of the machine allows you to adjust the distance between the two plates so that you can avoid crushing your burgers, as well as press down on a grilled cheese sandwich, but not so hard that all the cheese oozes out. The plates are particularly easy to snap in and out, and they can be washed in the dishwasher. In the back of the grill, a drip tray slides into place. Not only is the manual thorough, it contains recipes that you actually want to prepare. On number 1, George Foreman 4-serving removable plate grill. The touch grill was first popularized thanks to George Foreman, or whoever licensed his name. This low-cost black plastic model isn't especially attractive, but it's compact and provides a simple way to cook a couple of burgers or grilled cheese sandwiches. Although it is labeled as a 4-serving grill, it can only accommodate 2 4-inch patties. Although the paninis weren't as crusty as some of the more expensive grills, the burgers, chicken, and salmon finished with beautiful grill marks. This model has only one heat setting, so it's a no-brainer to operate. With grill plates that pop out for thorough cleaning in the dishwasher, it's an improvement over the original Foreman grill, which required that you wipe down the plates. It comes with a simple removable drip tray that sits in front to catch the drippings as they fall from the slanted surface. So guys, this was the video about the best indoor grills 2018. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.